All right, I got these Jones. So today we're reviewing these Yongnuo, but I call them Young Dungs, I don't know why, or lightsabers. So yeah, these are just another portable LED lights that we have to our collection. We actually have two of these because we actually like them so much, and we like the fact that these can go RGB. We can have nice color contrast between two. So if we wanted purple on one side and green on the other, or like teal on one side and orange on the other, adds a nice little color dynamic. We're gonna start with what it comes with. So this essentially just comes like this, and a nice little carrying case, but I never use that carrying case because these are pretty, I mean, they're durable. It's plastic, but it's durable plastic, you know what I'm saying? So like, I've thrown these, I've dropped these, but there hasn't been really much of an issue. Here are the LED lights. It's encased in this small little soft little plastic case thing. So you have two modes. You have you can mix exactly how much of 3200 Kelvin lights you want, or how much of daylight balance lights you want on here. So for right now, I'm gonna turn tungsten lights off and then just keep on daylight balance lights. These are all daylight light nodes that are on right now, and then if I wanted to quickly switch to tungsten, I could switch to tungsten and then turn on all the tungsten balance lights. It gets me a nice, like, warm orangey glow, you know, almost like what are those things, like those sulfur lights or whatever, the ones like in old street lamps and whatnot. That's the type of vibe I'm getting. So back to the build quality. It is uncomfortable to hold sometimes for a long period of time if you gotta like hold it like this and you gotta shoot or whatever, but luckily it has a nice 1/4 inch jack on the bottom where you can put it to like a light stand or a C stand and just overhang it or whatever. So that ends up coming in clutch. And on the back you have battery solutions. So you have an MPF mount, and it does come with the AC adapter, but I never use an AC adapter anyways, so it's kind of useless to me. But if you're working in a studio thing and you want to use this for studio lights, you could, I guess. It is very portable. I can literally toss this anywhere and everywhere. I sometimes put this in my backpack on the side of it. So jumping into the battery life, one NPF battery will last you 2 hours. But if you're using RGB colors, it should last you roughly about 4 hours. That's what our testing did. 2 hours at full brightness for regular light colors, like so tungsten or daylight, and 4 hours for RGB colors at full brightness. The RGB colors are not as bright as the other tungsten and daylight nodes, but they still add just enough to add the color contrast. So let's talk about light quality. These are 95 CRI. The color temperature ranges between 3200 and 5500 Kelvin. You can exactly dial in what color temperatures you want. So from R, G, and B, you can choose, I want 33 R, 98G, and 44B to get you whatever colors you want. So this also comes with a nice phone app thing, which I mean, I wouldn't say it's nice. It's definitely needs some help. When I do try to connect two, it won't let me connect. It won't let me control both. It'll only let me control one or the other, unless I disconnect one. I don't know. It's just really weird. I don't like the app as much, but I wish the app would have been definitely clutch if they could, you know, update it or something. This is a great grab-to-go light where you just literally grab the light, grab an NPF battery, slap it on, you know, boom, you're ready. You're ready. Whatever you need. Whatever. Zoom, 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 zoom. I definitely love the RGB aspect of it. Like, it just adds just such nice, like, color, and you know what I'm saying. Like, look at me, bro. I look like Papa Smurf right now. And it's great for, like, hair lighting people. So, like, if you have this, like, off camera, I don't know how far my arm can actually reach. If you have it, like, just, like, you know, just a hair, lighting your stuff, so that way you separate yourself from the background. It comes in clutch. I also like how, like, they're vertical. If I wanted to make some cool, like, vertical light, like if I wanted to shine something from, like, head to, like, shoulder and, like, hit a little bit of the waist, I could easily do that with the vertical lights. We used these for my friend Khalil's music video, where we shot, his color theme is, like, red. So we turned these to red, and we just literally had Chad, like, hold one of these lightsabers. I'd say it's a good 7.5 out of 10, mainly because the build quality is kind of lacking. The app really just, I mean, it sucks, but it could just be better. Other than that, honestly, I love it. I love how you can control all the aspects of the light. For the price and what you're paying for, I think this is a great quality light. I almost like these lights a bit more like than the Aperture mini lights that we've got, just because these are so versatile. You literally slap on an NPF battery and like you're ready. Quick note for you Busta Bust or Nahhh fans, I know I have been slacking on these videos, but we're definitely going to get you guys more videos. If you guys have any questions about what we're doing, what's next, what the move is, what you guys want us to review next, if you guys have one of these Yongnuo lightsaber lights or whatever, let me know what you guys think. Let me know your guys' things. Yeah, just leave a fucking comment. I'm tired of being alone in the comments, man. Shit. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, alright? Don't forget. Shit.